What is going on, everybody? We're back again with another video. Today we're working on my sister's 2020 Polaris RZR Trails and Rock Edition, and we're going to do some upgrade to the lighting. Stay tuned. So what we did is we went, instead of, some people will go real high dollar and buy the Baja designs and spend thousands of dollars on lighting, but we went a more economical route and got a Nilight 32-inch light bar and a Nilight wiring harness kit from Amazon, and a link will be in the description below for that. There's definitely better light bars out there, but for the money I think this is going to be a fantastic option. Like, say if it went bad, you could replace it 12 times before you got to the cost of some of those more expensive light bars. And lighting wise, I think this is just going to be fantastic. So what we've got to do is, on the RZR, we have to pull the windshield off, and we've got to pull part of the dash off to get in there to start servicing the wires and switches. So we're going to come back when we get those things off. Okay, so we're going to start the wiring process now, and this wiring harness kit that comes from Nilight is awesome. I actually have this same kit on my side-by-side, and it's literally just plug and play. It's got a relay, it's got these to hook up to the battery, those go to the light, and then this goes to the switch, which I've already put the switch in to the dash, and it just plugs in there. It's a really simple plug and play process. It makes your life way easy. So first thing we got to do is we got to run these wires up through this hole to get to the top. You don't have to do it. You could zip tie it in there if you want to, but we're trying to make things nice, clean, and neat, and especially because my sister is kind of a neat freak. Like, it's been 20 minutes since 2 seconds ago because she had to clean all of this before we could do this. So we're going to run some wires, and we'll get back with you as soon as that's done. Show you what it's all about. Alright, I didn't feel I needed to go into great detail on actually watching us pulling wire and doing all that good stuff. So the wire now runs through the roll bar up into the roof. There's my sister cleaning because that's what she does. And then the relay I mounted here, and I just drilled a hole and I put a little plastic rivet in. You could put a nut and a bolt or just a self-tapping screw into the plastic. And the the kit comes with ringlets for positive and ground, which would go here to your bus bar or down to your battery, however you'd like to do it. However, we have upgraded for a fuse panel, so I just simply cut the ringlets off and put stay-cons on here and ran the wires into the positive and the ground, and there's got an inline fuse as well. And so there's a video that we did on installing this in my machine. It works the same in pretty much all of them, and I will put a link up in, like, probably that corner maybe to that video, plus I'll put a link in the description to that video if you want to watch that. So all we have to do is pop a fuse in here, and then we got to mount the light bar on the roof, and the brackets that it came with, there was a couple different options. I'm not sure where I set them. Right here is one, and it is going to set just like that into the existing hole for the roof, and it's the perfect width. Other bracket options were this one, so if you wanted to go it up higher, or if you could find a place like that to mount it, but I think it's going to work just perfect mounting it to those bolt holes there. So we're going to go ahead and pull those bolts out, set these brackets in, and then we'll catch back up with you in just a minute. All right, we took a little break for station identification, or whatever you want to call it. These brackets I modified a little bit. Where we wanted to put them on the roof, the light wouldn't adjust enough. Now if these were turned 180 degrees around, they'd have been fine, but I wanted to utilize holes that are already there. So because I have fancy nice tools, I actually took a bolt and ground it down and welded, trying to get light, welded a bolt into this bracket. We're just going to use the bracket now as the new stud to hold the roof on, and the light bar brackets all in one shot. Okay, ladies and gents, we got the light bar on the roof. Like I say, use these brackets in the existing holes that hold the roof down. They give you a short bolt and a long bolt, and the short bolt's too short and the long bolt is too long, so I cut the long bolt in half and used it up there. But everything works good. Got it wired. Run up here, put just a couple little cable tie sticky things there to hold it to the roof. The wires go into the tube. Down here, just gotta neaten up a couple things. Like I say, we got everything nice and zip tied and cleaned up here, wired into the fuse panel. The switch is all hooked up. So if we come around, turn the key on. That's the wrong switch. Turn the light bar on, and it works. And it's, I don't know how it looks for you guys, but I can't look at it, so probably doesn't look that bright on camera. But so now we just got to we got to get it out and wait for dark and see what it looks like. Ooh, I don't know if you, yeah, it's dark, you probably can't see me at all. But now I'm at my sister's house, and we're gonna take the machine down the road and see how the light bar works. I can't move my legs, but I'm in there. Oh, these are the click 6. That's why, because they go forward in. Yeah. All right. Well, that was an adventure. My 25-year-old niece was in here last, and 26-year-old niece, and she's just a little bit smaller than me. So these harnesses aren't set up for me. Anyway. Tiff, what do you think?
Pretty awesome.
Better than not having a light bar, right?
100%.
Oh, see if I can get out of this seatbelt. Oh. I'll open the door for you.
At least in the event of an accident, you'd be safe.
Yeah. Oh. It looks pretty awesome at night, I gotta say that. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, sometimes on TikTok. Have a wonderful day, stay safe, and we'll see you on the trails.